What is up, YouTube? My name is, you already know, and today I'll be doing a review on the CP3 Chris Paul Player Edition 13s. Yeah, so this is the box for it. I got a size 10. I actually got a few sizes of these. These released back in November 7th, and I sold all the pairs I got from there. And then I got them again from a restock on January 9th. They restocked at 12 o'clock. So I was like, why not? So I got 3 more pairs of these. I sold 2, so this is my last pair. So yeah. Bang, right there. This is great. I'm telling you. It's a dope shoe. You cannot go wrong. You got the yellow bottoms. You could like squeeze this in. I don't know what this is called though. Got the carbon fiber right here. That's a toe box. It says CP right here. And yeah. Inside there's a Jumpman, but you can't tell by the camera. Yeah, it's like I think it's a light blue Jumpman. Let me check. Yeah, it's light blue. So yeah. That's my last pair, so if anybody wants it, hit me up. I sell shoes in New Jersey. Location, Little Ferry, New Jersey. One second, let me put these down here. Location, Little Ferry, New Jersey. I got a lot of shoes. So yeah, if you're interested, just hit me up and I'll sell you it for the low. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.